use. It's for amateur guys who want to have a bit of Wi-Fi, a bit of serial communications. The XP GPS, that's a full-on GPS, like any other GPS. It doesn't do too much other than that. It talks to the XP, and there's a bit of programming that does it. The heart of it is the Netduino. What it's doing is just spinning in a loop, analysing all of the sensors, and then punching that information back up onto basically a serial port, telling me all about it. Then it gives me the opportunity to react. I can then say, no, do these things. And then it tells the sensors what else to do. So then I got this radio control style interaction. There's a H bridge on the back there, which you see on the right hand side to you. But that's basically just there for controlling servos. It's pretty straightforward. That's just a servo, and that's what moves it up and down. So what's the hookup? How do I make this all work as one piece? Basically, it's the same as what we've been doing throughout all of the presentation. We have a wireless way of communicating, or some way of communicating with the device. We've got some drivers in between me and the device, and then we've got some soft communication. And we're using air to really real-time process information that's coming back off this technical piece. Okay, so here we go through some dangerous stuff. It's not going to punch you right out or whatever. So what I'm doing now is just going to unleash it for a bit. Just bring up so basically I'm just putting in the power, powering it on. I've got a little button on the back here to reset it. And that's reset. The program is now loading back onto the chip. And there we go. So is that floating? Oh, yeah, what we'll do is bring up XTU. So I've got a COM program here just to prove that it is doing what it's doing. Now, to me, I've got comparable XP, so that's the thing that's allowing me to talk to it. And then over in that machine is the brother, and that's what's talking to it. Bring it. So I've got a little tool here that allows you to talk to the XPs themselves, and it's just a terminal-based application. So just give that a reset. So what we're seeing on screen is some real-time feedback and information from that thing over there. So what you're seeing is the GPS string, and you can use linear coding and whatever. I've been on stage with GPS before, and it doesn't work because I'm obviously in a building. So that's why you're seeing 9999 there on the location piece. Yes, I can read that as it's telling me what it says. Not only that, it's passing back to me the DOF information. So as I move it up and down, the DOF information, the degrees of freedom, is telling me it's going from left to right, up, down, and so on. So I can let it sit there. But as I said, I can pump commands to it, so I can punch the device and make it move, and then I can do an all forward and an all back, or do right to left, and so on. So I won't tempt that much. So basically, you get the idea of how this thing works. So what we're going to do is start up the socket server written in .NET and talk to that thing. So we've got a socket server now started up. So coming back to Potomac, we've written the Potomac application, we've just set up the server manager in my own domain, and I just gave it to Ray and said, could you put that into that thing, please? And here it is. So basically we've got the DOF information coming up, and we've got some really cool developer art, so we can go and all. What you can see is the drone debugged there, and that's the same information coming now back into So Ray's is going to go in and turn off some drone debug information for us. So what I'll show you is just pressing some of these buttons and moving it out. So next, no. Surprisingly, the amount of helium inside of that thing, basically the balloon, good story is I had to communicate with a lot of people around Brisbane to help me out with designs of different technologies. Like this one's a latex, you can use a mylar, foil, and plastic. And then you can get them built to specs. This thing here is just an edge away from where the balloon is. It's about $140 balloon. That thing, it takes roughly 0.6 meters cubed of helium to fill it, which is roughly around $7 a blow to put that thing up into the air. The reason I chose helium, obviously it's inert, so it doesn't blow up. You don't get the usual problems with Kinect, of course. So we can avoid those sorts of tragedies. So Ray's just hooking us back up. We get back into our dashboard. Yeah, so hopefully we get an awful. We'll stop. We'll stop. Okay. Push out the 5 3 go backwards. Yeah, good. Guys, this is demo where. Right. Let's move on. I think we're convinced that it's a working thing. So the next piece here is obviously dashboard for the drone, because you get that it works. This is what I call extension of the link. So this particular demonstration involves that thing, the Kinect. So I wanted the drone to work with the Kinect. So let's just make that happen. So I'll just bring up the Kinect server. So that's providing us the socket for us to listen to and talk to Kinect. So we'll bring up the socket server.
Use this.
It's good. It's going to engage it. Right, so that's this is hacking as this. We'll get there. Right. So what I've got is the scissor hands. I push my. Okay. Steady. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Good, baby. Turn. Other way. Forward. Other way. Back. Come on, babe. Gotta bring him over. Breathy. Oh. All right. So you probably want to touch it. All forward, dude. Let it rip. It's fighting me. It's all forward. Go, baby, go. And then left. Left. Right. There we go.
Oh, watch that.
Watch out for that thing. Come back. Alright, so all stop. Right. Whoa. Is that going to be cool? It blows up, don't worry. Press the down button. Does the down button? I do. Yeah, this cease and desist drone. Alright, so we'll get back into it now. Right, we're through extension of me. So, mobile.
Yes. Other things we haven't mentioned, RFID.
Look over.
Yes, we just managed to get our running XSS on Android. A couple of tags we showed up the other day. So this actually works.
Well, what you see is there's the coil, and on there is just a small IC, so obviously Faraday effectively pass current through it. The difference with these over RFID standard tags, you can write with these. You can tell them what to do.
So it's completely passive.
Cost $4 from $4.
So the idea is we programmed it, we run the tag up against it.
There
Yeah, so another little fun technology device you plug into the flex. Nice, yeah. Oh, I had the line there. We had the noise of the airport the other day, and we were very excited.
Awesome. So, you've just purchased 20, what is it? So that's based on similar technology to RFID. It's in a similar bandwidth and a way to go. So that was our little mobile aspect of it. But bringing it together, what's it about?
Right, so we're trying to show you here we've got a lot of cool devices. We've got a lot of cool information that you can pull from all sorts of different sources. Show you some examples of what these are. We've got RFID, we've got international sockets, we've got a little link over there. And we pull all of this into Flex using a really enterprise-grade framework. And we're trying to show all this that there's actually a business application for these kind of things. So given all these new tech, I think the programmer actually needs to understand what can come up to the application, what you actually do without me. You don't just have a mouse and keyboard, you have waving arms, you have GPS locations, you have RFIDs, and given the need for, what we perceive as the need for immediacy and removing the need to interact with the computer and just have the computer knowing what you want, we believe there's a lot of new business models that can come out of this.
So this is all user-created content, and you being right there, right now, creating the transaction, but also creating the content as well that could be the transaction. So
the idea was to try and actually show you something along those lines. Let's see if it's
make it happen.
Okay, so again we'll pop up our lab.
So once more diving into the Potomac application and going straight into the module, which is the guitar store.
So you can just dream that the mouse is driven by the hand. I mean, we saw it actually happen with the balloon. You can imagine it happened with the mouse cursor. And we decided to add in a bit of fluff. So imagine you're at a guitar store. You're going to buy a new guitar. You pick up the guitar. You go into the room. Can you see it? You go.
Another one, right?
Another one.
So you pick up the guitar, and the guitar knows you're there. And then you go, yeah, I want to buy that. You swipe it with your mobile phone, pay for it already.
And there we go.
There we go.
Right. So it finds my guitar. You go, that's great, cool. It tells you all about the guitar, tells you the price. You go, let's have a jam and see what it sounds like.
Right there.
Lose the I hope. And then pick up another guitar. Show that. It's brand new axe.
This thing's awesome.
It's unbelievable. Picked it up from Vietnam, king of all guitar making places. As a pumpkin. So again, we're popping our little. I'll just hold that there. Finds the guitar, so imagine that tag on the guitar. This time we'll like jam. Let's see if I can go through jazz.